What a horrible, horrible day. Ugh. You know that period of time after Christmas when you've got stuff and that the new stuff has to go next to the old stuff, and if you don't find a place for it, it gets piled up, and then I find mess just spreads with me. So I've gone back to work and I've just not taken the time to really clear up my space. So yeah, I'm gonna title this section of the video Scruffy Man with No Ceiling tidies his room. And if you're into that sort of thing, then, you know, lucky you. Hey. Does that even look any different? It's so dark. I think it's probably about time to take this down. It's always sad, but has to be done at some point. But this pin is going to be very useful. We shall return to this later. Hoovering done, although there's one spot that's gonna need a bit more than a hoover. And there's like markings this needs wiped. Before I finish up, it's actually probably a good idea to clean these. I'd seen some mud on New Year and I haven't cleaned them since, so I hope it comes off because I really like these trainers. That's pretty rough, innit? Not quite good as new, but certainly closer to new than they were. Hello. Whoa. Anyway, it's time to grow my sloth. I didn't think I'd be committing to a pet at this age. I thought I'd wait until like I had a house, you know, all my eggs in order, chickens in order, hens in order. I don't know how it goes, I don't know what comes first. So we're gonna grow our sloth. Apparently very easy. You just add water, and it grows up to 6 times this size, which is still not. I mean, it's not that big, to be honest. But I hope it's not that big because I've only got this glass of water, which we did make earlier. It says room temperature. This is quite warm, but I'm thinking sloths are from warm climates, and so room temperature water there is actually higher than it would be in this house. Come on. Oh, oh, there we go. Safe travels, big boy. Something else I've been sitting on since Christmas is my Terry's chocolate orange. I usually just say chocolate orange, I don't know why I said Terry's now. But it's the sort of thing where people say, oh, how do you open your chocolate orange? There's only one way to open your chocolate orange. So I'm going to actually find out what is the best way to open it. As opposed in British problems, the Terry's chocolate orange, bang it on the table and watch the segment separate perfectly method of opening. The one in the ads never works. YouTube video here, how to open a chocolate orange. That's what you want from an instructional video. Let's see what Sean has to say then. Interestingly, Sean's way of doing it seems to work exactly like the advert, which leads me to believe it's possible and also the way I want to do it. So let's see if we can follow his steps. Oh, look at that. Bloody smash that. That is perfect. Hair is fresh, funky, and most importantly, fine. We have to find out what's happened to our sloth friend. And he's been growing for 2 days now, which is the recommended length of time. Pretty happy with how the wee guy turned out. He's for sure 6 times his original size. Somewhat creepy, but also at the same time somewhat cute. Welcome to Dense Fitness. As Scotland's #1 outdoor training facility, we know a thing or two about getting you fit no matter what the weather. So what are you waiting for? Pick up the phone, call 0800 Dense Fitness and book yourself a free trial session. We'll see you there. Right, that got a bit strange. In all seriousness, there is something I'm wanting to do. We have like a cable machine that's fallen apart a bit. Like the cheap cable machines always just seize up and things. So I'm just wondering whether we could sort of fix it up enough just to make do, maybe get like a couple of exercises. Truthfully, I've not actually had a proper look at it in years. Like it could just be in an awful state of repair. It's already not looking great, but I'll have a look. Quick change of a tyre. I was just, every time I touched anything, it was just, my white jumper was just becoming muddy. It's a decent sized bit of kit. It's just like totally, like none of the cables are attached to anything. So it's just going to be like a case of working out where they go and then trying to unseize anything that's seized. Now we almost have a leg extension. We just need to attach this to there and attach that to here. And then that should, it just seems, I think that should work. This wing nut will do, I just need to find a bolt that fits it. No! That's so annoying.
And the Oscar goes to...
No! The hunt continues for the right bolt. Oh, jackpot! We're almost there. We'll have a quad extension soon. It's too fat. This should be the last one I need, hopefully, so fingers crossed. Yeah! Only problem now is that this is too long, so I caught my knee on it when I just tried to kick it for a test run. So I'm just going to swap it for this shorter bolt. It's not the best range of motion, but it's something, isn't it? Oh, I think I've just figured out the lat pull down. We got it. That's I've wanted to do it for so long. We got a working gym. How sick is that? We out here in the snow doing some sledging. We got the best sledges money can buy. Forrest, you want to give us a little demo?
Got sledge, old sign, MoneyGram, show.
Shout out.
And then got just put some electronics through it, just really pimp up this sign, and got one of the best sledges ever, really.
Yeah?
Thanks so.
Let's see what we can do with it, big boy. Have you got a big boy?